If you see not much production happening and you see not much cash in the bank and you see a lot of debt, take that as a red flag. They're probably not going to make it post-halving. The winner is CleanSpark. When you look down the list, you'll see the ones that have a lot of debt, which is a little bit scary, like Core Scientific, Mawson Sphere Digital, Argo, Bit Deer, Wolf, although they're paying it down. Marathon used to have a lot of debt, but they paid a truckload of it down as well. Their debt is 2% of their market cap, and I like names that don't have a lot of debt. And you can see they're still kind of top of the list. So Core Scientific was there for a long time. But again, it's a good ratio to have a feel for where we are. And you want good, stable businesses to be under that kind of $100,000 of market cap per exahash as well. Hive is the winner here at 6.08%. That means basically they have the least amount of debt. Bitfarms is third. Some don't have any HODL at all because they're selling all they can, again, to scale the business, to scale hash. No, that would be Marathon with 15,741 Bitcoin, which is worth about 817 million. You're making 16, 18% on your bag. And you can sell it then after you make. Now that we have the winners, we're going to dig into some more financial detail to get a feel for how good they actually are.